Guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Glenda of STYLE with Glenda K Harrison, the community that's all about inspiration on mastering your personal style. So for today's video, I thought I'd take you along on a hair washing day. Yes, believe it or not, one of the biggest questions that I receive is, Glenda, how do you care for your hair? And you're probably guessing, yeah, right. My hair is very short and it has been this way for 22 years, except for this summer when I decided that I wanted to try something different. And I knew what I wanted to do. I wanted to either have it braided or I wanted to have a lock style. Now, in order for the stylist to be able to add braids or lock extensions to my hair, I needed to go through the process of growing my hair out. So beginning in January, I started that tedious process of growing my hair out. So I was told that it needed to be at least 3 inches long. So you saw me go through a phase where my hair was different lengths and I was styling it in different ways. And then all of a sudden, if you follow along closely, you saw me with locks for a very short time. Now, I really did enjoy the locks. I thought they were fun. I felt so adventurous and I enjoyed styling them while my husband and I went on vacation to celebrate our anniversary. So I really did have an enjoyable time with the locks and I would love to get them again someday. But the problem that I had is that, as you all know, is that I am committed to physical fitness. So I work out quite frequently, at least 5 times a week, and it's pretty high intensity. So I'm sweating a lot in my hair. With the locks or braid styles, it was hard for me to wash my scalp and for it to feel clean. And so I began, after about having them for 3 weeks, my scalp got really irritated and I just kept wanting to scratch it. So I decided to go ahead and remove them. Oh, it was really sad. I didn't want to take them out because, like I said, it was a lot of fun. So I did remove them, and when I took them out, I had about a 4-inch growth. And I loved the fact that my hair had grown into like a little short afro. And so I did several different things with it. I twisted and I even actually plucked it out and wore an afro at one point. But my hair had gotten really dry. It just seemed like no matter what product I used, I could not get my hair to feel the way it did when I first began the process of changing. My hair is super fine, it's soft, and it has a natural wave pattern to it. I don't have any chemicals in my hair, and of course, as you can see, I don't put any dye in it. So I was really disappointed that my hair, the texture of it had changed and it just felt really hard and crunchy. So I decided to have it cut off back into my teeny weeny afro. And my husband is the one who cuts my hair. And so he cut it all off and it feels great again. So in this video, you're going to see 2 of the shampoo, conditioner, and leave-in moisturizing conditioner that I use. Now, there are other brands that I've used, but the 3 that I'm showing in this video happen to be the ones that work best for me right now. So I hope you enjoy the video. Okay, butterflies, here I am in my shower. And the first thing I'm going to do is show you the shampoo and conditioner that I'm using, which is the Shea Moisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil Strengthen and Restore shampoo and its mate conditioner. So the first thing I want to do is I want to completely saturate my hair with water. And let me add that I am wearing a bandeau swimsuit. So I get my shampoo and I give it about a quarter size amount into the palm of my hand. And I give myself one good shampoo. Because my hair is so short, I don't typically do two. So I evenly distribute the shampoo throughout my hair and scalp, and I use the pads of my finger to kind of really give it a good massage. And I move my hands over my head in my hair's natural growth pattern. And then I give it a good rinse. I really take my time with my time in the shower. It's like a really precious time for me to just really enjoy and think about my day. So I think I have all the shampoo. Oh, let me wipe the lens. I think the steam is taking hold. There I am. Okay, so now I'm going to use the conditioner, and I'm giving myself 2 pumps into the palm of my hand. Rub the palms of my hands together, and then evenly distribute the conditioner throughout my hair and my scalp. Again, using the pads of my fingers to massage, and I move my hands in a circular motion, kind of mimicking the growth pattern of my hair. That way I'm not disrupting my natural wave pattern. Okay, so while the conditioner is sitting, I think I will wash my face. Yeah, I'll use my favorite face cleanser, CeraVe, and my favorite face brush by Lather. And I'll put 1 squirt of the CeraVe onto the brush, and I'll gently move it in circular motions over my face. No words to describe how wonderful this face brush feels. It's so soft that I can pass it over my lips. It doesn't scratch. It just feels amazing. For those of you who have been following me for some time, you remember I did do a post on this face brush. And I always am mindful of cleaning my neck as well. So there, I think I'm done. I will go ahead and rinse the CeraVe from my face. Okay, let me pat my eyes so I'll make sure I don't get any soap in them. Okay, I think the conditioner is ready to come out. All right, so I'll wash my conditioner out and make sure I get it all, and that will be it, butterflies. Now for the next step. Out the shower, and I want to put in my leave-in conditioner. Right now I'm using the Camille Rose Lavender Whipped Cream leave-in. I give it a good squirt into the palm of my hands. Rub my palms of my hands together, and I evenly distribute it around my hair. Just kind of raking it through, just kind of going with the natural hair pattern. And yeah, this is basically it, folks. I'm good to go. Hello butterflies, welcome back to my channel. I'm Glenda of STYLE with Glenda K Harrison, the community that's all about mastering your personal style. So for today's video, oh my God,